in these 3 columns central, we have to do a 4 stitches decrease. For that, slip knitwise the brioche stitch, again knitwise the next stitch, then you need a cable needle or a stitch marker, and you have to slip purlwise this central stitch and leave it in front of the work. After that, knit the next stitch, pass over the previous one, slip the stitch to the left needle, pass over the next stitch, slip the stitch to the right needle, and pass over that first stitch that we slipped. After that, slip the stitch from the stitch marker or cable needle to the left needle, then you slip the stitch from the right needle to the left needle, and then you pass over that stitch that you had on a stitch marker over this one, and slip the stitch to the right needle. So here it is, a 4 stitches decrease.